Discover the Power BI Learning Path, a structured guide designed to help you master the powerful business analytics tool through progressive skill building. Dive into the path, where we'll break down the intricate components of Power BI and systematically enhance your proficiency through detailed, step-by-step learning modules. Stage 1 introduces Power BI basics, from understanding its ecosystem to navigating Power BI Desktop and creating your first reports, laying a solid foundation for further learning. Stage 2 focuses on data preparation, teaching you how to connect to various data sources and perform essential transformations using powerquery for cleaner, more reliable data. In Stage 3, learn data modeling fundamentals, create relationships between tables, and master DAX for calculated columns and measures, boosting your analytical capabilities. Stage 4 guides you in data visualization, showing how to create, format, and customize basic and advanced visualizations, plus design interactive reports and dashboards. Stage 5 transitions you to the Power BI service, where you'll learn to publish, share, and manage reports, leveraging Power BI Pro features for enhanced collaboration and data security. Stage 6 covers advanced topics, including Power BI and Excel integration, implementing row-level security, optimizing performance, and embedding Power BI into custom applications. Stage 7 offers hands-on projects to apply your skills in real-world scenarios and prepares you for certification exams, ensuring you're ready to demonstrate your Power BI expertise. End your learning journey with a Q&A session. Post your Power BI questions in the comments, and we'll provide detailed answers to help you overcome any hurdles. Thank you for your support.